Hello everybody, I'm Alvise and today I got another announcement for you. Novamira now ships with native block editor support. Here's the problem this solves. Today AI-generated block editor content typically looks like this in the editor. Broken blocks, invalid markup, every static block like paragraph, group, columns, quote, flagged red. The editor won't even let you edit them without recovering them one by one. That happens because static blocks are validated in the browser by the editor's own JavaScript, the same code that runs when you click Save in WordPress admin. So that's what Novamira does now. The AI queues the change and the real browser tab, your tab in opening WordPress admin, serializes and validates the blocks before they get written. So you get clean, native vetted blocks every time. And we're shipping it for free with Novamira, the free open source WordPress plugin that gives AI agent full access to your WordPress site through MCP. So let me show you the new flow. Here's what we're building. This homepage was rebuilt by an AI agent, and we have 7 sections, multiple block types, and every single block opens as valid in the editor. I can click into any of them, edit them with no warnings. And all this with just one sentence prompt. So let me show you how this works. So I've got Novamira running on my staging site connected to Claude over MCP. So basically the normal setup. The one new thing you need to know about this, it's this page, the block editor queue. So you keep it open in a tab while you work with the agent, and I'll explain you why in a second. And now let me ask the agent to rewrite the About section. So I'll ask, rewrite the About Alvise's Pizza section, open with a center hero heading, then a 2-column section with our mission on the left and a quote block on the right. Wrap it all in a group with a light gray background. And now here's the part that's different. The agent isn't writing directly to post content. Instead, it's queuing the change as a pending batch. Why? Because canonical block editor markup needs to be produced by the editor's own JavaScript, the same code that runs when you click Save in WordPress admin. That code lives in the browser, so Novamira queues the intended change and then hands it to a real browser tab to finalize. So basically the editor knows exactly how to write blocks in the way it expects to read them back. Novamira lets the AI describe what it wants and then lets the editor itself do the writing. And that browser runtime is the block editor queue. While it's open, it heartbeats to the agent, claims ready batches automatically, runs them through the real block serialization and validation, and then writes the result back. The agent just waits, so you don't have to click anything. And finally, there it is. Real native blocks, editable and valid. Same flow works across multiple pages in a single batch. The agent queues different changes, enables the batch, and the queue processes them one by one. A few things worth knowing before ending this video. 1. If you forget to open the block editor queue page, the agent will tell you. It checks for a live runtime before queuing native block work and gives you a link to open the page, so no silent failures. The second thing is that every batch has a direct finalization URL. So if you'd rather click a link that keep a tab open, the agent can hand you one. 3. Only one pending batch per target at a time. If you queue a second change to the same page before the first one finalizes, the agent gets a clear conflict response telling it which batch is in the way. So no race conditions overwriting your content. And finally, as always said, keep this on staging. Novamira gives agents real write access to your site, so it's not meant to run against production. So build the changes on staging and then deploy to production through your normal flow. So that's it. AI-generated block editor content that actually opens as valid blocks. Paragraph, group, columns, quote, table, all the core static blocks through a single page you keep open while you work. This is shipping in Novamira free. Just update the plugin, open the block editor queue page and start prompting. One last thing about Gutenberg, the project behind the block editor, since its success should matter to everyone. It's the editor that ships in every WordPress install on the planet, and the WordPress community can deliver real value to it, even without official backing. So we decided to give Gutenberg something it may never have had before: native AI editing, and we're giving it away for free. And that's all for today. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you want to dig deeper into Novamira, check out the documentation at novamira.ai. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.